Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video for ICP. You guys can see that we already have a price prediction here on our chart looking for the market to go higher. Initially, take a look at that. The market in ICP, the next day that we did our price prediction, you guys can see almost barely got us at our stop loss right there on the 31st of May. But then that's when the market caught wind and price has been going up ever since. We're going to try to see if that's going to continue, because if it is, then we're just going to continue to go forward with our price prediction, or we might get rid of it and place some downside pressure and then see how low the market's going to go, just to get right back on board to ride this cryptocurrency to higher levels. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe to this particular channel to get more information about how you can try to get a lead amongst everyone else within this cryptocurrency space, so that you can profit more often rather than not. All right, so here it is. Recently we were seeing that ICP was in a downtrend, and when we did our video here on the 29th of May, we was talking about, hey, be careful, because there are a couple of sell pockets here into the market in ICP, and the market was trending down. Okay, so following the price action after our price prediction, look at this. The market here in ICP did go lower, right? So we shouldn't be surprised that that was the onset of price action, the market going down. We knew it was in a downtrend. We saw the market giving us weakness periodically throughout the month of May. And then we identified this buy pocket. You see that? We knew that this was an area that buyers were at. And luckily, on the 31st of May, those buyers still confirmed that they were there. Because if they wasn't there, then the weakness that occurred the day before, it would have broken this buy pocket. We would have came down to this next level. But as you can tell, we got the confirmation on the 31st. Market in ICP began to go higher. And then take a look at that. The market got stuck on that first sell pocket on June the 3rd. Market reacted, went down 2 days. Then the buyers came back and was able to get rid of those sellers in that first sell pocket and even the second. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of these two sell pockets here into the market in ICP. And now the market buyers are currently trying to get rid of the sellers in this next pocket. Okay, so that's where we're at. Now, if you are still in this particular play and you just want to congratulate yourself, then go ahead and take out that 8.29% profit right now as of this recording. When the market first traded today, it was up 14.18%. Either way it go, we have that as a target. Okay, now let's look at ICP on the 2. So here it is on the 2-day chart. I do like the 2-day time frame, given this 2-day bar here. This one looks very healthy, very good spread. The market closed there at the high of the bar. But let me zoom out, because I want you all to see that maybe this cryptocurrency is just trading within a range, right? Maybe we're just doing this. So maybe you don't want to expect too much out of this market for ICP. Or is it a trend? What do you guys think? Because the market here in ICP on the 2-day chart, at least, it is making higher lows in the market. You guys can see that. ICP on the 3. Here it is on the 4. So the 4-day time frame almost looks identical to the 2 on this 4-day bar. Here it is on the 5. Okay, so yeah, I think currently, as we look at these price bars that's been printed, it looked like there's still some gas in the tank for the buyers to try to continue to look for ICP to go higher. Right now, let me caution everyone that we need to be careful on these sell pockets. There's already one being hit now in the buyers. So if you see price initially go down, I mean, why would you be surprised? We already identified that this was an area that sellers could be. So look for price to go lower. And if those buyers are still there, then the next target will be at this next sell pocket. Okay, so now let's look at this on a 5-hour chart though. I want to see where are these pockets at for ICP. Okay, so here's a pocket here. And let's do another pocket. I see another one right around here. Let me add on this one. I like this one too. Okay, here this on the 330. And the 1 hour chart. Yeah, the 1 hour looks pretty clean. We definitely need to see if the market is truly bullish. The buyers who bought ICP right here, as we see price come back down and test this area, it'll continue to hold. Okay, so that's something that you need to be on the lookout for ICP. If not, look for it to come down to this next level. Okay, so let's get rid of this prediction. And we're going to drop another one. Looking for ICP to go higher. And we're going to target this second sell pocket right here, either at the low, which is at $6.37. That'll give us 7.7%. At the high of that, it will give us 9.66 at $6.49. And then if we really grab wind into the market for ICP, I'm going to try to target the market at the high that occurred on March the 2nd and the 3rd, which is like a 22% move up. Okay, so now I'm not really looking for that to happen because we got these two pockets of selling right there into the market, so that could definitely hinder how high those buyers will be able to move the market. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Give me your thoughts, and as always, make sure you maintain profit, and I'll see you all on the next one.